Morning, I'll be talking about the US Fiancee Visa. So what is the purpose of this visa application? The purpose of this is to bring your Filipino partner to the US, and once she is in the US, marry her US national within a 90 days period given to them. So what are the requirements? Number one requirement is that both partners must have met each other in person. Number two, they must have a genuine relationship. Number three, the US national must have sufficient funds to support the Filipino partner. And number four, the US national must have a base accommodation. So what are the application forms needed? One is the I-129F, or also known as the Petition for Alien Fiancé. Number two, it is the G325A, or Biographic Information Page. For this application form, two copies are needed. One for the Filipino partner and two for the US national. Other application forms are the G1145 and the FC029. So what are the documents needed? One is a birth certificate of the US national or a biographic page of his passport. Two is his divorce decree if ever he or she had a previous relationship. Number three, bank certificates. Four, proof of accommodation, whether it be a certificate of ownership or tenancy agreement. Now, documents needed to show their genuine relationship may be in the terms of pictures, tickets going to other countries or places, hotel reservations, emails, or chat conversations. Also, both partners must send 2x2 pictures, white background of each of them. Now, once this packet is complete, the US national or the Filipino partner must send this to the USCIS located in Dallas, Texas. Now, once you have submitted this packet, you will be receiving an I-797C or Notice of Action, wherein USCIS will tell you that they have received your application and they will start to process it. Processing time for this one is 4 to 5 months. After 4 to 5 months, you will be receiving again an I-797C telling you this application is either denied or approved. If ever this is approved, your application along with the rest of your documents will be submitted to the US Embassy here in Manila. Now, the US Embassy in Manila will be submitting a packet again, now this time to the Filipino partner. The US Embassy will be asking you to submit a list of documents as well as complete the rest of the application forms. Now, these application forms are the I-156, I-15K, and I-157. Documents you must submit to the US Embassy are the following: your CENOMAR or Certificate of No Marriage. If you had a previous marriage, you must show your divorce orders. And then you must show your NBA clearance. If ever you had the court case, you must show your court orders or court records. And if you have been to the army or to the police, you must show your military or police records. Also, you must be required to submit 2x2 pictures. And then once this is complete, you'll be submitting it to the US Embassy. Again, the US Embassy will dictate to you whether this is approved or denied. If it is approved, you will be going to the next phase of your medical exam. Your medical exam will be done in St. Luke's Medical Clinic Extension located in Bocoba Street in Manila. Once your medical exam is approved, US Embassy will be submitting a letter to you indicating that you are required for an interview at the US Embassy at a certain time and a certain date. Now, you're required to go there 10 or 20 minutes prior to your interview time, and then once you are there, you will basically know if your visa application is approved or denied. So this is the process and requirements for applying for a US Fiancee Visa here in Manila. Thank you.